And I'm Ronald Imposo. Several years from now, I see myself holding a gun, raising our flags, and fighting for our country. In this info vlog, I would like to share the importance of this course subject to our future career. First things first, this course subject, understanding the self, will allows me to become a better and good army in the future. It will also allows me to develop a stronger interpersonal skills. I will develop also my emotional intelligence. The understanding the self core subject guide me to better manage the stress, stay calm under pressure, and also guide me to make more balanced decision in a high stake situation. That's all. Thank you.